Today we will demonstrate how pipe bursting works. Pipe bursting is a trenchless sewer repair method that is more efficient and requires less excavation. It is an excellent option if you have damaged, collapsed, broken, or root-infested pipes. First, we run a high-definition camera down into your sewer pipes to identify specific problems and their locations. Once we determine the sewer line can be rehabilitated, we dig 2 small pits, one for entry and one for exit. We remove a section of the old pipe at each of the pits. Next, a cable is fed through the old pipe from one end to the other. Getting the cable pushed through the line is the hardest part of a sewer pole. The new pipe is then put on the bursting head and attached to the cable. Once the pipe is ready to go, the hydraulic machine to pull the pipe is set up at the other end. Once engaged, the hydraulic press slowly pulls the bursting head through the entire length of the pipe, bursting out the old damaged pipe while simultaneously pulling in a brand new pipe. The new pipe is heat fused, eliminating seams and joints, preventing any future root penetration or leaks. Once completed, we then backfill the pits and restore your property to its original condition. Let Wyman Plumbing's Trenchless Sewer Repair Professionals introduce this innovative technology to your home or commercial property. We are experts in pipe bursting methods and a trusted leader in pipe repair and replacement services.